What if I told you that you can start building muscle in just 3 weeks without stepping into a gym or lifting a single weight? Yes, it's absolutely possible, and all you need are 4 powerful bodyweight exercises. No equipment, no excuses, just results. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a simple yet effective routine that can transform your physique. Exercise. Number 1. Push-ups. Push-ups are the ultimate bodyweight exercise for building muscle and strength. They target your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core, enhancing upper body definition and stability. Do 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Start with knee push-ups if you're a beginner, or try incline to decline push-ups for a challenge. Keep your back straight and lower your body until your chest nearly touches the ground. With consistent effort, push-ups will improve your posture, boost endurance, and sculpt a powerful upper body in no time. Exercise number 2. Squats. Squats are the ultimate exercise to build lower body strength and power. They target your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and core, improving posture and boosting mobility. Perform 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps, ensuring your chest stays up and you sit back as if into a chair. To level up, try jump squats for explosive strength. Squats not only build muscle, but also enhance balance, burn calories, and support overall athletic performance. Exercise number 3. Jumping jacks. Now let's bring in some dynamic movement with jumping jacks. They're not just a warm-up exercise. They're fantastic for building muscular endurance and engaging your entire body. Do 3 sets of 30 to 40 seconds each. This move will improve your cardiovascular fitness and help tone your arms, legs, and core all at once. Exercise number 4. Lunges. Finally, we have lunges. These are unbeatable for strengthening your legs, glutes, and improving stability. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps per leg. Step forward, lower your body until your front knee is at a 90-degree angle and push back up. Want more challenge? Add a jump as you switch legs. Lunges are essential for building symmetry and functional strength. 4 simple exercises, 0 equipment, and just 3 weeks to see results. Do this routine anywhere, stay consistent, and transform your body. Like, subscribe, and comment below to share your progress. Let's crush this together. See you next time.